I am Dr. Aftab Raja and you are watching YouTube channel Pakistan Online. Today I will show you the eastern part of Lahore. Once Lahore was called the City of Gardens, but today it is an overpopulated city of 15 million people, and the downtown is totally disaster. But this is the suburban area and it is somewhat good. Still it is good, but you see the vendors, the motorcycle rickshawalas and the others, they are doing their businesses illegally. The government condones their activities. They know that it is illegal. The government authorities know, but there is no choice, there is no option, because they have to earn for their families. Beautiful, you see, this is a small vendor shop of vegetables. Pakistan is blessed with vegetables, fruits and many other things. See, it's a watermelon and these are called samosas. This is very special item for iftar in Lahore. This is grocery shop. Grocery shops in Lahore are the same as are in the modern world, in any modern country. This is actually not a commercial area, but it is a service road, and you see a horse cart. The modern and the old world goes side by side in Lahore. You see, this is service road. A car wash shop is adjacent to grocery shop. This is residential area, and you can say it's a mixed. It's very beautiful trait of Lahore that there is a commercial area, there are shops in residential areas. There are some places in modern localities, the commercial areas are separate from the residential areas, but in unplanned localities, residential and commercial areas are in the same place. There is a commercial area, there is a residential area, and there is no difference between them. You will see the people have opened very expensive schools in their homes, in their houses. See, this is lower middle class area of Lahore. This is unplanned, no planning. This is built without planning. Let's see, buffaloes. This is illegal. It is illegal in Lahore Metropolitan Corporation, but people do it. See, barbed wires. Maybe they have blocked this road due to coronavirus, but now it is rolled out. This is also Lahore, you see. I will show you modern Lahore too, modern localities, but this is eastern part. It is not very far from India. See, beautiful houses are also built here. You see, this is bazaar in unplanned localities. This is built without planning. There was a time these were fields, agriculture fields, and the owners of the lands, they just sold it to build residential areas. without planning, without abiding by the law. But still, the land is very expensive in Lahore. It was cheap some years ago, 20 years ago, but now it is very difficult. It is very difficult to purchase a house. Very, very expensive. See, a house is under construction. These are some usual and common glimpses of Lahore. Oh yeah, this is another expensive school. People send their children to English medium schools to learn English. There is general perception in Pakistan that knowing English is everything. You have to know English. That's all. And there are tons of opportunities in life. We have again reached the main road. We are turning to the left. I will show you underpass here. A beautiful underpass. There are overpass, there is underpass. You see, this is underpass and is decorated. See, these are murals. It's a beautiful. We are traveling along canal road again. This person just crossed us on motorcycle. People in Lahore use motorcycle as car. They travel with their families. 2, 3, 4, 5. This does not matter. They travel on motorcycle. They know how to travel. If you like this video, please give your feedback. How you feel like Lahore is. It's really beautiful place and you must visit it once for a lifetime. There was a proverb in old days that the one who did not see Lahore is not yet born. Visit this city before it is too late. Another thing I want to tell you is that Lahore is safer than New York, Washington, Paris, London, and many other European